I got bored of random calendars, so I'll show you how I make my own anime-themed calendars. The app I used to make them is Canva, but first you need to know the exact size you want your calendar to be. When you have decided, go to Canva and create a new project with a custom size. Before typing the numbers of your calendar though, make sure you are using the right unit. Since I live in Europe, I go with centimeters. When you are inside the project, find the designs, templates, and then type 2026 calendar. Scroll down until you find the design you like. Keep in mind that you can make adjustments later, so don't worry about liking it 100%. When you find the design you like, click Apply All Pages. Now it's time to make your adjustments, if you need to. You can delete pages you don't want, or make everything bigger, or change the position of things, change the border style, or add a background to the days of the week to make them stand out. Do whatever really. Anything to make your calendar something you'll be happy to see daily for a whole year. The most important thing to making this anime-themed calendar though is this step. You need to find a square, and your square must be from shape so it's customizable. What you are going to do now is make it the same size as the squares of your calendar. After that you have to change its transparency. I'm mostly going for about 50%, but you can see what works better for you and come back to change it later. When you are done with the transparency from positions, change its position to back. And now the most difficult part is upon us. You now need to find 12 anime pages. Yes, you need to limit your choices to only 12. Good luck. This took you a few days, didn't it? Or is it just me? Anyway, when you find your 12 images, go ahead and upload them to Canva. Then add them one by one to whatever month you want them to be. Arrange them by moving them left and right and by zooming in if you need. When finished, save them. Last step is to upload those 12 months to Word. Make sure your proportions are correct and fit them in the pages. After that, save it as a PDF file from export. Okay, sorry, this is the last step. Print them, cut them, and now you have your own custom anime-themed calendar. And yes, I use a phone stand I got for under €2 as a stand for my calendar.